And last but not least, I do want to touch on some refreshing drinks too that you can make out of the garden and stuff. And I mean, these are all of my favorite things that these are my favorite drinks to do. So I love all of these. So there's the juice recipe up here that honestly it is a mix and match also too, because it really just depends on what I have going in the garden, what I put in this. So one of my favorite things though to do in it is carrots. Honestly, carrot juice is so good. If you haven't tried it before, you definitely need to. But honestly, whatever I have going in the garden, like I'll pop into this juice and I have a juicer that I put it through, and it tastes really good. I absolutely love it. Um, so yeah, they posted the recipe off to the side. So, but again, like it doesn't even have to be a specific recipe. It can just be mix and match of whatever you have available and on hand. And then I do have so in the middle, this is one I know a lot of people don't necessarily grow their own citrus, but I did want to include this too, just because it is so good. And honestly, one of our favorite drinks is just by going through and using our like our little oh gosh, my mind went blank. What's it called? Our little soda thing.
Soda stream.
Soda stream. Yes, thank you. So our soda stream that we have, um, it is super great. So we take just water and give it a little bit of carbonation, and then I just squeeze in a little bit of lime, lemon, and an orange too. Sometimes it is really tasty, and this has actually helped a lot of the time too. Like Dale, he had a really bad soda addiction, so we started making a lot of these, and it really helped him too. So he always says that this is the drink that helps him with his soda addiction. So if you guys have a soda addiction, you definitely need to try this drink because it will help with that. It tastes just like 7 Up, Sprite. Like it's really, really good, very refreshing. And I feel better, obviously, drinking it because it doesn't have all of the bad stuff in it. And then over here, last but not least, we have our mint water that we have there. We love to make this. So all we do here is just put a little bit of water and ice water, and then we go through and just harvest a bunch of mint and put a bunch of mint leaves in there. We've also in the past, so whenever we have a lot of cucumbers, we have sliced our cucumbers and frozen them. So that way we can go and pull our sliced frozen cucumbers and put them into this drink right here. And they work almost like ice cubes too, but it gives you just a slight taste. But it is so good. That's probably one of my favorite ways to do cucumbers, besides just eating them plain or putting them in salads and stuff. But that's probably one of my favorite things to do with cucumbers is simply just freezing slices and putting them in water, just using them as ice cubes. It's very refreshing, tastes amazing. Absolutely recommend that.